Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last 2 days and how the natural gas price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a pattern forming, U pattern forming in the same way. Okay, and this formed as a cup pattern, so there was a higher probability that we can see it can go further upside. Now what we have seen, there is a opposite U pattern forming. Okay, as you can see, look at this particular chart. This was ascending and upside we have seen after forming a swing at around $7.8. So you have to understand $7.8 is a weak support, which is if it comes close to this particular level, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, now and a U pattern forming at this particular level. Okay, now suppose if this particular level sustain, okay, if this particular level sustain, then we can see a natural gas price can move further upside, or if that level goes further down, then we can see it can move further low. Okay, now suppose if the price, before we move forward in natural gas, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in natural gas, and a link of Telegram I have given in the description, you can join that too. Now look at the chart. Suppose if this particular level sustain, okay, there is a probability if this level didn't sustain, then only we can see it can move further down. Otherwise we can see a trend is upside, as we have seen 7.8 is a swing, we have which is a weak support now as of now. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, then we can see it can go upside towards a level of $8.482, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $8.709. okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of $8.916. okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $8.999. okay, and once the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $9.1, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $9.37. okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $8.482, and from there we can see it can go $709. If that level sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $8.99, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $9.43. and this particular level is again a resistance, which is already a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $9.66. okay, and these again are resistance which is already a weak resistance, so probability is high. We can see it can touch a level of $10 also, and if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go to a level of $10.3 to $10.5, because this level has not come since long. okay, 1993 this level has not come, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further upside. okay, now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because market is uncertain, we never know that the market can fall or rise, so you have to be ready with your stop loss and a day limit for your particular trade. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of $8.317. okay, and if this level goes further down, then we can see it can go and touch a level of $8.193. okay, and suppose if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $8.069, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.800. okay, and I've already explained you 7.8 is again a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can touch a level of $7.510. okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $7.076, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.846. okay, and if it goes below a level of $8.468, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $6.5, and from there we can see a level of 6.2 also. So you have to keep this in mind. If the price comes close to 7.8, it can fall further low towards a level of $6.846, and from there we can see a level of 6.5. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please subscribe.